Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Surah Aal-Imran Ayat 111 to 120. Ayat 111. They cannot harm you except a little. If they fight you, they will turn back and run away, and they will not be helped. Meaning, some people may try to hurt believers, but they cannot do big harm unless Allah allows it. Even if they fight, they will lose courage and run away. In the end, they will not get real help. Ayat 112. Humiliation is placed upon them wherever they are found, unless they are under protection of Allah or people. This is because they rejected Allah's signs and killed prophets without right. They disobeyed and went beyond limits. Meaning, people who reject truth lose respect and honor. They feel weak inside. This happens because they denied Allah's message and did serious, wrong actions, even killing prophets. Disobedience leads to loss of dignity. Ayat 113. But not all of them are the same. Some among the people of the book are upright. They recite Allah's verses at night and bow in prayer. Meaning, Allah is fair. He tells us that not everyone is bad. Some people are sincere and good. They pray at night, read Allah's words, and worship with humility. Ayat 114. They believe in Allah and the last day. They tell people to do good and stop evil, and they rush to do good deeds. They are among the righteous. Meaning, good people have strong faith. They not only do good themselves but also guide others. They quickly do good actions without delay. These are truly righteous people. Ayat 115. Whatever good they do will never be lost. Allah knows those who are righteous. Meaning, no good deed is wasted. Even small good actions are saved by Allah. He sees everything and rewards fairly. Ayat 116. Those who disbelieve, their wealth and children will not help them against Allah. They are the people of the fire, and they will stay there forever. Meaning, money, power, or family cannot save a person in the hereafter if they reject truth. Only faith and good deeds matter. Ayat 117. What they spend in this world is like a cold wind that destroys crops. They harmed themselves. Allah did not wrong them. Meaning, their good actions are wasted because they lack true faith. Like a strong cold wind destroys crops, their efforts bring no benefit. The loss is their own fault. Ayat 118. O believers, do not take outsiders as your close secret friends. They will not stop trying to harm you. Their hatred is clear from their words, and what they hide is even worse. Meaning, be careful about whom you trust deeply. Some people may pretend to be friends but want harm. Their words may show dislike, but their hearts hide even more hatred. Ayat 119. You love them, but they do not love you while you believe in all books. When they meet you, they say, we believe. But when alone, they burn with anger. Allah knows what is in their hearts. Meaning, believers are kind and trusting, but not everyone feels the same. Some people act nicely in front but hate inside. Allah knows their true feelings. Ayat 120. If something good happens to you, they feel sad. If something bad happens to you, they feel happy. But if you stay patient and fear Allah, their plans will not harm you. Allah knows everything they do. Meaning, enemies feel jealous of your success and happy at your problems. But if you stay patient, Sabr, and obey Allah Taqwa, their plans will fail. Allah is fully aware of everything. Simple life lessons. Not everyone who smiles is your true friend. Always stay patient in difficult times. Trust Allah more than people. Do good, even small deeds matter. Real success equals faith plus good actions.